Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, car enthusiasts of all ages, welcome to a place where the ordinary becomes extraordinary, the Don Valley North Lexus factory. Behold, this isn't just any car dealership, no. It's a factory of dreams, where innovation and luxury intertwine. Step inside and find the finest selection of Lexus vehicles. Every car is a golden ticket promising pure delight. And for those who seek a sneak peek behind the curtain, our friendly Oompa Loompas, our knowledgeable staff, are here to guide you through every step of your journey, ensuring you find the perfect vehicle to suit your desires. So come one, come all, to the Don Valley North Lexus factory, a place where dreams are driven and chocolate are given.